Hi, it's Stuart Walker from RMS. I'm here in Knoxville, Tennessee, USA, and I've got with me Jeff Hay, the CEO of RDI Technologies. And RDI have produced over the last couple of years some amazing technology, the IRIS M. Now we've just got out the IRIS MX, which is an add-on to the system. Jeff, could you tell us a little bit about the IRIS MX?
Yeah, so the IRIS MX is our newest camera. As you said, it's an add-on to the M, but what the unique thing about the MX is it extends the frequency range. So it's an actual high-speed camera that can capture higher frequency content.
Okay, so with the IRIS M, when we had that, to get the higher frequency, we was having to crop the image slightly?
Yeah, that's right. So what the MX does is it allows you to go full frame at higher frequency. So essentially, the M can do hundreds of frames per second, whereas the MX can do thousands of frames per second.
So Jeff, the IRIS MX, what sort of measurement range does this camera go to?
So the MX can do 1400 frames per second in HD.
Yeah.
So that gives you about 700 hertz in terms of frequency range.
Yeah.
And then if you really want to push it, you can do smaller regions at over 20,000 frames per second.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. I mean, we've used the MX since around Christmas time, and we've had some great examples with I think it was a glycol pump system where we had 250 hertz, and for me, having the MX just giving you that large field of view was the amazing thing, where with the M we'd have had to crop in and only seen a section of it. What other uses have we got with the MX? Can you use it as a high-speed camera, maybe?
Yeah, you can use it as a general-purpose high-speed camera, and then also you can use it as a motion amplification camera for that high-frequency content. So the M really is the workhorse, in the system, and then as we use cases started to increase, more and more people started adopting the motion amplification camera. We found out that there was a set of users that needed to push the frame rate a little higher to capture some of those unique cases like blade pass frequency.
Yeah, and I mean that's a good point. I think from our side out in industry, there's some good examples, sort of pulsation frequencies, blade pass, maybe some turbo machinery. But I think for me, what I've always found with the MX is that even on some of the lower ones where the M can get into, it's just nice at times to maybe have that larger field of view with the MX.
Yeah, so there's an area where when you start to have to crop, the M. That the MX can kind of come in and still give you that full frame and say, a couple hundred frames per second, and you don't have to crop the image. I
mean, it's not a replacement camera. This is an add-on system to the IRIS M family, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. So the base system is always comes with the M, and then you have the option to add on the MX in addition after purchase.
So I can't buy this MX on its own; it's with the whole system.
Yeah, it's designed to be a complementary add-on to the M.
Okay, cool. Well, Jeff, it's been great meeting you, and I'm so looking forward to some of the more products in the future. But it's just amazing technology, and if you guys have not got into this technology yet, you seriously need to look at it, because this is the future, here and now.